Hey guys, this is Mason here. In this video, I will show you how you can create TikTok pixel. So to create TikTok pixel, first you have to go to the TikTok Ads Manager or Business Manager, and in the top bar you can see here Tools, Event Manager. Just click here. In the top left corner you can see Connect Data Source. Just click here and select your data source like it's web, app or CRM. In my case, I'm going to create for web. Just click here. The next. Then you can put your website URL here, or you can skip and it will be manual setup. Then next. Now you can actually select your setup type. So in my case, I'm going to select TikTok pixel and events API. And next, name your pixel, then create. So the pixel is created, you can see here. So if you want, then you can close this window as well as you can follow their guidelines. Okay. So if I go to the data source, you can see here, this is the pixel ABC is created done, and this is the pixel ID. So hope you could understand the process how to create the pixel. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.